Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises both functionality and aesthetic appeal, the GANAZONO Glass Cooking Pot with Lid. In a world saturated with cookware, standing out requires more than just a pretty face. It demands thoughtful design, reliable performance, and a clear understanding of what home cooks truly need. This GANAZONO pot, made from high borosilicate glass, aims to deliver on all fronts. Let's start with the heart of this pot: its material. High borosilicate glass is renowned for its excellent heat resistance and durability. This means you can confidently use it on the stovetop for your favorite soups, those quick instant noodles, or simmering vegetables without the worry of it cracking or warping under heat. This is a crucial feature, especially for glass cookware, as thermal shock can be a common concern. The material choice here suggests GANAZONO has prioritized safety and longevity. One of the most significant advantages of cooking with glass, and this pot is no exception, is the transparent cooking visibility. Being able to see your food as it cooks is a game changer. You can monitor the simmering process, check the consistency of your sauces, or ensure your noodles are perfectly tender without constantly lifting the lid. This not only prevents heat and moisture loss, which can disrupt the cooking process, but also allows for a more precise and controlled culinary experience. No more guesswork, just a clear view of deliciousness in progress. Moving on to the design elements, the ergonomic dual handles are a standout feature. They are designed for a secure and comfortable grip, which is essential when dealing with hot cookware. These handles are sturdy and well placed, contributing to safe handling as you move the pot from the stove to your dining table. Coupled with the fitting lid, these handles ensure that you can manage the pot with confidence. The lid itself is designed to trap heat and moisture effectively, creating a more efficient cooking environment and leading to better tasting results. This combination of thoughtful handle design and an efficient lid speaks volumes about GANAZONO's attention to detail. The size of this pot is also worth noting. With dimensions of 8.26 by 7.08 by 6.29 inches, it's perfectly suited for 1 to 2 servings. This makes it an ideal choice for individuals, couples, or for preparing smaller portions of sauces, soups, or even single servings of instant noodles. It's not a massive family-sized pot, but rather a versatile workhorse for everyday cooking tasks where efficiency and targeted use are key. This targeted sizing ensures that you're not wasting energy heating a large pot for a small meal. GANAZONO also emphasizes their commitment to customer satisfaction with responsive customer service and a replacement service if your pot arrives damaged. This is a significant reassurance for any buyer, especially when purchasing delicate items like glass cookware online. Knowing that there's a reliable support system in place can make for a much more worry-free purchasing and ownership experience. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the high borosilicate glass offers excellent heat resistance and durability. The transparent design is a huge plus for cooking control. The ergonomic handles and fitting lid enhance safety and cooking efficiency. Its compact size is perfect for individual servings and smaller meals, and the customer support offers peace of mind. However, there are a few cons to consider. The size, while ideal for some, might be too small for larger families or for batch cooking. While borosilicate glass is strong, it is still glass, and extreme impacts or very rapid temperature changes could still pose a risk, though this is minimized by the material's properties. Lastly, as with any specialized cookware, it might require specific care instructions to maintain its longevity. In conclusion, the GANAZONO Glass Cooking Pot with Lid is a well-designed piece of kitchenware that prioritizes safety, visibility, and efficiency. Its high-quality borosilicate glass construction, coupled with thoughtful ergonomic features and a practical size, makes it a great addition to any kitchen, especially for those who appreciate the ability to monitor their cooking progress closely. If you're looking for a reliable and aesthetically pleasing pot for individual servings or smaller culinary creations, this GANAZONO pot is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.